Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. Cheers. I've got a nice cup of tea. Oh, I needed that. So, I've got a rotten headache right there, right in the middle of my head. I've had it all day, and have I taken any tablets? No. I don't always take them. I try and see it off without, but it's getting to the stage where I'm going to give up and take some soon because it's just not going. It's kind of a bit of a, I don't know if it's because I've been wearing these too much, staring into screens too much, maybe, I don't know, not quite sure. I've got it's quite bright outside. I've got the blind up quite high, so I'm not sure if I'm a bit too bright, but we'll it's lovely and sunny. It's beautiful out there until you set foot outside. That's Gary's going to be doing his jigsaw now. So yeah, until you set foot outside, and then suddenly you go like, oh, bit cold, because you walk out there in a t-shirt, and because it's, you know, t-shirty weather inside, but not out there. Anyway, cheers. I'm gonna have another slurp. So I made a whippy video today, which you know, this is yesterday for you guys, a happy hump day. And I made this video, and the postman arrived during it. So, sorry, someone walked past. And so I had to go and get the door. It was Amazon, actually. It was a parcel for Gary. So because I'd had to pause it and then come back, that just meant that I had to put two together and upload it. And for some reason, it was really going slow this afternoon. Took ages and ages and ages. I couldn't believe just how long. So I sat here and I made some stitch markers with all my new bits and bobs. I'm not sure if that person that walked through there has now knocked on our door, but Gary is in the kitchen. So some of them are silver. I've got these nice big earrings because they're so much easier to get in your project for your stitch markers. And I've got this one. It's like a little ladybird. Pretty cute. Sorry if it was wiggly waggling. And I got lots of the sheepies. Where are we? There's a little sheepy. That's the back. Let me do this. Okay, the sheepy. And we have the tortoise turtle. They've got like patterns on. I don't know if you can see that one because it's very pale. I'll show you the green one, and you can see the shell pattern on them. So they've all got these big doodads. Ladybird again. Bit close, sorry. It's having trouble focusing on several things at once. And there were some of these missing, so I've reported that to Temu and they're refunding me for strawberries. But there was a few in there. Not as many as there should have been. What else have we got that's different? Well, there's not many different varieties, but all the ones that I got, I kind of started doing. We got cherries. That's round the wrong way. Some of the ones I do are double-sided. So cherries. And then there's loves. We've got hearts with the word. Various different fonts. The word love on a heart. Got them. All different colours. Anything else? Did I show you? I did show you the strawberry. I did, yes. There are lots in here. There's all different coloured turtles. Oh, flowers. A bit annoyed about these because this happened to me once before with candy skulls. If you look, there's another little hole at the bottom, so you could make it into a bracelet if you want, but it's got an extra loop, which I didn't like the look of that, but I'm doing them anyway because I have them. So yeah, I've done this many so far while I was waiting for it to upload because, well, actually I would have got more done, but I did the thumbnail. That took ages because all of a sudden the software that I use for that decided to freeze. everything was going a bit, you know, up the pictures. See, everything was going wrong. So yeah, I thought I'll turn it off for a bit. I'll get on with that, and then it all righted itself. So that's good. Not very comfy. I've got this little cushion, and I have to put it in the small of my back, if any part of my back is small. So this came with a big one, which, oh look, it's got a stitch marker on it. I never see that, because this was from Linda. This was in a box of goodies for me. And maybe it had a label on it. I don't know. I can't get it off. Anyway, but yeah, you can get... Ah, there we are. It's a safety pin, light bulbs sort of styly. You can use those as stitch markers if you want. I'm having trouble getting that back together. Anyway, it's gone now. So here, the rest of the bigger one is what I use when I'm sitting in the living room. But this one just goes nicely there, and it stops me from having a curvature at the back of my spine. And because this is nothing but uncomfortable, this chair. I don't know why. It seemed all right in the shop. I can't close this one now. My aim is really off. I want to close it because I'm going to stab myself. Oh, there we go. Closed, no longer stabbable. Didn't want to go putting my hand in there and sticking myself. Oh, so yeah, I've kind of been doing that, and where I've had those glasses on and been peering in screens, I think that's what's done it. That's what's given me this throbbing to bonk. I was going to tell you something, and you know I can't remember what it is. Nope. Totally gone up ahead. So I did a whip video, and it was the Great Temu Yarn Experiment video. So that's what I'm going to be whipping with you guys. I should have started my baby boy blanket and be whipping that with you guys, but I haven't yet. I've got to kind of be in my bonnet about what one I want to do. And I don't know if I'm going to do that other pair of mittens or not. Well, I've done one of them. You know, I should just get it done, so that if I leave it too long, I'll forget what I've done. Tea's getting cold already. It's because I had to do something for Gary on the computer. So I made it, and then I took that in there, and I had to fill this questionnaire thing out for him. And by the time I finished and come in here to do this, it's on the way out. A bit like me, really. So I shall drink it pretty quick. So let's have a look. Excuse me. Happy hump day. Oh, we got Gus Fring. I know his name's not Gus Fring. Oh, that was a gurgle right at the back of my throat. Good job I weren't still ill, because it would have been a really loud one. Where are we? The assurance I give is this: I will act in my own self-interest, which at this time involves your cooperation and benefit. Muff Gideon. Sounds like someone else who's in the public eye at the moment, really, doesn't it? I will act in my own self-interest. I wonder who she means. Well, could apply to just about anyone. Could certainly apply to Keir Starmer. Pensioner Harmer. Oh look, I took them off. And I've got to read again. Oh, God. Anyway, right, okay, let's have a look. At the Tony hammer. What's a Tony hammer? T-O-N-I hammer. At the Tony hammer. 6-year-old. Mum, can I? Me. You can do anything you want as long as I don't have to get up. Bikini season. Maybe for you. I just had a baby, so I'm getting ready for swimsuit cover-up season. I'd be lucky to have swimsuit season. When my daughter tells a really good joke, I feel proud. Then she tells a really bad one. I know she's been talking to her dad. Gary tells me jokes, dad jokes. Usually not ones I can repeat on here though. You know what I mean? No. I'm usually not politically correct in the slightest. So, no, can't do that. Oh, so I'm not going to get on this. I'm not going to chat for a long time today because my brain is exploding within my head. And I don't think you need to see that. But it does feel like it's going to burst out. And maybe it's because it's very, very sunny. And I don't know about you, but when it's really mega sunny, that hurts my head sometimes. It gets a little bit over, the light just gets a little bit too much. And no fog today. No mist and murk, just brilliant sunshine from the minute I woke up, which again was too early. What's going on? But I seem to be waking up at about 7, half 7 every day. It's like, you know what? I'd rather like to wake up at about at least half 8. 8, half 8, that's nice. But, you know, it's a whole hour that I could be snuggled under. It's just not really happening. I don't know why. So I've been fighting fatigue. But you think I'd sleep in then, wouldn't you? But no, it's not happening. So today I haven't got a cook. And that's because we had what did Gary take to work? I can't really remember. But he took something to work that was quite substantial. So he said when he gets home he'd just have spaghetti on toast. And I'm going to have the last bit of leftovers. So, no cooking required. Yeah, sounds good to me. But I do want to start having a little looky at this and this and start making a few wonderful things from it. And I got a few others. I got one for Christmas from Victoria. She asked me what I wanted and I said, quite fancy this. And I got that. I also got that Indian one. That I'd asked for. So and before we start the diet, I could do something out of there. So I need to get my books out and have a good look. I think I need my headache to go first before I do that. Yeah, I don't want to be wearing those glasses if I don't need to. So I watched all of Snowpiercer in a couple of days. It's gone. It's finished for me now. No more Snowpiercer. No more Snowpiercer for me. Which I feel quite, you know, I've anticipated this season, the last one, popping up for so long. And now it's over. It's just like, wow. And did I need that season? Because I kind of guessed what could happen and how it could end. Anyway, it was good. I liked it anyway. There was only one season that was a bit dodgy. The rest were okay. I know. It's like they're not the greatest acting in the whole world. No. But at the end of the day, it wasn't bad. And I enjoyed it. It's over with now. Do you know what I've been feeling lately? I feel like the world needs Jack Bauer. So I've kind of decided that although I've seen it about probably 50 times or more, probably more, I might watch it again from the start. I just love those early ones, you know. I've said with the presidential primary candidate. Events occur in real time. I just love Jack Bauer, I really do. They're teasing us with the thought that there might be a film come out or there might be another season of 24. You know, come on, get it done. But not someone standing in for Bauer. It's got to be Bauer. It's got to be the Bauer man. I do love Jack Bauer. You know, love that programme. He got a bit dark. He did after a sort of 4th, 5th season. He got very dark. I don't know, it's far-fetched. I really love it. Really love it. Best show ever, that was. Best show ever. Definitely. Anyway, I'm going to slurp this because it's almost done. At least I used my black cup, so. And that'll be back soon. Box. That will be back. Definitely looking forward to that. Absolutely. Lewis Hamilton is now in red. Red for danger. So yeah, that'll be fun. I love a bit of F1. Gary and I do like it. He likes to moan. It's boring really though, isn't it? It's really boring, isn't it? And I'll say it's only boring because Lewis isn't winning. If Lewis was winning, you wouldn't be finding it boring. But we'll have to see what happens this season. I think it's going to be closer now than before. We'll see. I'm looking forward to it. You know, just saying. So, oh, goodness gracious. I need to go get some tablets and get rid of this headache. It's awful. So, thanks for watching. And I'm sorry I'm a bit of an achy, horrible bleh today. But, you know, I don't know where it come from. And it's not going away on its own. Maybe it is where I've been wearing these because I was wearing these things to do the computer this morning and all that. And then doing this is like really close up fiddly work. So I had them on, and maybe it is just a case of that. But whatever it is, it sucks. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Watch out for the Hump Day giveaway, which I did intend to film on Monday. Didn't really work out. And then I could have filmed it today being Tuesday. Didn't really work out. Which is a good thing really, because the other video took about 2.5 hours to upload. Yeah, I know. It was going to be early. It's going to be on early. It ended up being a little late because of it. Anyway. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now, guys.